are you doing this week? It's so great to see all your wonderful faces every week. You guys are the best. Did you know that? If you didn't, now you know. Today we are going to talk about carbon. Carbon is in carbon dioxide, which is a greenhouse gas that works to trap heat close to Earth. It helps Earth hold the energy it receives from the sun so it doesn't all escape back into space. If it weren't for carbon dioxide, Earth's ocean would be frozen solid. Now time for our worksheets. Remember, the link is below to print the worksheets out so we could do it together. Now that you're ready, grab your favorite color crayon. I chose orange today to write my name. Did I mention how great you guys are getting at writing your name? Great job! Take a second to look how great you are at writing your own name. Now let's read the directions. Count the critters, circle the number, then color. Let's read it one more time. Count the critters, circle the number, then color. Let's count the critters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I count 7 critters. Now we circle the number. Do we circle 2? No. Do we circle 1? Nope. Do we circle 6 critters? No. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do we circle 7? Great job! Grab any color and circle the number 7. Great job! Now it tells us to then color. This is my favorite part. You could color this picture any color you like. The critters in this worksheet are piggies. Have you noticed? Aren't they cute? I'm coloring all the piggies pink. What color are you coloring the piggies? There's 1 piggy. Now I'm coloring the second piggy. Now the third piggy. The fourth piggy. The fifth piggy. The sixth piggy. And last but not least, the seventh piggy. I'm coloring the piggy's nose and ears a darker pink, so this way they stand out. that I'm done coloring the piggies, I'm going to color the sky blue. What color are you coloring the sky? Gee, I love that color. Now I'm coloring the hills green. Green is such a great color. It's the color of grass and trees. Now I'm coloring Mr. Sun. I love Mr. Sun. He makes everything warm and beautiful. I'm coloring the little birds on top yellow as well. And the haystack yellow as well. I'm coloring the floor brown so it looks like dirt. What color did you color your ground? Oh, that's a great color. I'll do that next time. While we are coloring the ground, do you guys want to hear a joke about pigs? Awesome! Are you ready? Okay. What do you call a pig that does karate? A pork chop. You get it? A pork chop. Now that I'm done with the ground, I'm going to color the barn red. Red is such a great color. It always stands out and it's so bright. Can anyone tell me anything that's the color red? That's right, the stoplight and the stop sign. Oh, and the red apple. Great job, dinos! What color did you color your barn? Oh boy, I love that color as well. You dinos are doing such a great job at coloring. Last finishing touch is the sun's cheeks. I'm coloring them pink. Isn't that cute? Whoa! I'm so proud of all you dinos. You guys are doing such a wonderful job on your worksheets. You guys make me so proud and happy. And I can't wait to see you next week for a brand new episode.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!